Hello friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can listen to WhatsApp audio messages before sending them to anyone. Yeah, it's possible. You can listen to WhatsApp audios before sending them to anyone. So what you have to do first is to update your WhatsApp to the latest version so that you can be able to do this. So for me, I'm going to use WhatsApp Business since it's the one I'm using. So you open our WhatsApp. These are the procedures. You open our WhatsApp, then you choose any contact where you want to send a message. Yeah, you choose any contact where you want to send a message. Then you tap on that contact to open it. After opening it, you tap on the recording on that microphone. Then you slide up so that your phone is in hands free, so that it's recording automatically. Yeah, you follow the steps so that you don't miss any useful part. Please, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss new videos from this channel. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon. So you see it's recording, then you tap back. You tap the back button. Then you open that chat again. You see, that's our audio. By doing that, you can be able to listen to it. You can be able to listen to it before sending, and after listening to it, you can either choose to send it or to delete it according to your preference. So that's what you do. That's what you do, and that's the trick I wanted to share with you today. Yeah, thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you, I always appreciate. So